Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to protect battery in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to battery option. After that just tap on battery protection. Now by tapping here you can enable battery protection. That's it, you can see it's enabled successfully. Now here you can find two options which you can use to protect your battery. So if I select basic, then when your battery is charged to 100%, then charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then charging will start again. On the other hand, if I select maximum, then your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. You can also customize it from here. You can choose 80%, 85%, 90% and 95%. And that's it. And that is how you can protect battery in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.